Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Just for more, we're going to be talking about the potential tropical storm Bertha and potential strong, all the way up to strong tropical storms that's Hurricane Cristobal. If you want to see more info on this, go check out Weather Hub TV's video on this and everything weather, and I think there's like Alan's Weather Hub, that might be the name. They talked about this too, and the reason I'm talking about this is the models have been consistent on this forming, and they've been consistent on forming south the Gulf of Mexico to Caribbean, and they're starting to get consistent on where this will go. So anyway, we're going to go a little ahead. So first we're going to talk about potential Bertha. Oh, and by the way, guys, I will only be using wind models for Bertha due to the fact that because Cristobal might not make landfall because it hasn't really formed yet, it actually isn't showing the tropical storm winds going on land. It's like it won't show. It's only showing them in the ocean for some reason. Like they're just like cutting off like a glitch or something. So I cannot show it for Cristobal. It will be inaccurate. So we will be doing it for Bertha. So we see the Bertha system forming. It's going to keep moving north, getting its strains together. Potentially the outer bands of it affecting Bermuda, but then it will quickly go probably back to a tropical depression to maybe a weak tropical storm, and it will leave. And if we go back here, I want to go back. I want to go to wind. So the wind at points. Now, really, the main threat in Bertha potentially coming to tropical storm is the millibars. And maybe for 6 to 12 hours, it would become a tropical storm if we're basing it on wind. But for millibars, much longer. Now, I want to go to vorticity and wind, and we see here. Yeah, we see, you can pretty well see it, and we see how the outer bands could affect somehow Bermuda, as you can see, like the very outer band, and then it just moves and it is dead. And how long has it been? Okay. Everybody, I'm gonna continue with this actually. So now we're gonna go back the precipitation and stuff. So so this is around when Bertha is forming. It looks like it will form in around this area. Around, and the spaghetti models, if I would draw my own spaghetti models, my spaghetti models would show it potentially hitting Bermuda, and most of them would go. And there is potential for it turning, but I would only put one spaghetti model there. I do not want to do you. How long has it been? Okay, 3 minutes in, completely done talking about Bertha.